Hello, TBC communities. Good afternoon. This is John Woo speaking. The TBC in Ghana is on fire. The TBC Team Ghana is a new group or association we formed in Ghana to assist all Ghanaians who are TBCians to be able to spend their coin. The vision of the TTG Ghana is to make TBC spendable in Ghana. The TTG is TBC Team Ghana. We are inviting all leaders in Ghana. Let us all come together and support this vision of making TBC spendable in Ghana. All leaders who are losing faith in TBC, I'm telling you that TBC is our birthright. TBC is a system, we use it to eradicate poverty. We are building a private community worldwide coming together to help the humanity out of poverty. So why TBC is a scam? TBC, you have the coin in your wallet. The TBC admin gives you the system, gives you every minute what you need to know to use the TBC as a tool to make money. So why do you say TBC is a scam? TBC is not a scam. TBC is a very big project. The way we are rushing, we want to spend TBC all over the country 100%. It's not going to be 100%. We need to start from somewhere. We need to convince the merchant, approach the merchant, write a proposal to the merchant, create an avenue or an appointment with the merchant, meet the merchant, present your idea, the idea TTG Ghana have to the merchant, or the vision of the TBC, if they can come on board, can help you to also bring more people on board. And remember that when they also help you to get more people on board, the 50-50 commission cash flow is there. When the merchant started getting more people into the community, making money every week, every month, they will also increase their percentage from even 30 to 40 or 50%. And I'm telling all TBCians, especially those who have their own business, start using TBC. Brand your business with TBC. TBC is a global currency. TBC is a brand. You need to brand yourself. You cannot tell me you are a TBCian, you don't know how to brand your business, your currency. The currency is very bigger. The more people are coming in, the more the value of the currency goes high. So what makes you not to present TBC to people? Fear that when you introduce people to TBC, TBC will collapse and they will one day even rush to you or come for their money. No, there's no way TBC will collapse. TBC is bigger than collapsing. Or anybody is controlling your mind, TBC is a scam. My brothers and sisters, I'm telling you, TBC is real. You see, it started from the mind. If you let people control your mind, you will always be poor. They never said that the old leaders in TBC in Ghana, they give up, they are no more promoting TBC, so meaning TBC collapsing in Ghana. No, we have different kind of leaders that are coming every day in TBC. There are some people who I brought them into TBC community. Today they are very skillful than me. They have more markets. When I say market means they've opened the opportunity to a lot of people and they are cash flowing every day. What about you? You the old member, you in TBC. Who is controlling your mind in TBC community? If anybody, any group you are in and they keep on saying TBC is a scam, take yourself out of that group. Anybody forming an association and they are adding you to fight against TBC in Ghana, I'm telling you, they are all out of business. They aspire. They aspire means that they don't know anything to do in the community. They lack creativity. If you are in TBC, you are a leader like me, being in it for almost 3.5 years now, and you don't know how to present TBC, then the truth is that you lack creativity. You lack creativity. You lack creativity because when TBC came, we met a lot of people. We sold TBC to them very expensive. And as a TBCian, when the TBC admin brought the cash flow and the cookie reward, Why don't you contact them? Those of them that you brought them on board, they will look. You help them, settle them, so that they can also become a TBC billionaire, at least having one TBC and more, by showing them, giving them the education, the system, so that they can also sell their TBC to the new people, teach them, train them how to duplicate the system. But you refuse. You took their money into your pocket and you left them. When they become frustrated, they will say TBC have scammed them. But you, the leader, refuse to do the work. If you are a leader in TBC community, I'm telling you today why TBC is a scam. TBC have never scammed anybody. TBC have helped a lot of people from poverty, especially me and my family. TBC have done a lot to me, and I teach the system, I practice the system, and I even move with the system every day, because it's the system. Because I know the secret of rich people is building a system, duplicate the system, and you leverage from the system. TBC give you all the leverage. When you kill your deal, 1,000, 4,000 Ghana cedis, 3,000 Ghana cedis, 1,000 Ghana cedis. Is that money all go to TBC admin? Is it not the wallet fee? Even the wallet fee is not coming from your money. The wallet fee, it goes to the person you are bring pay the wallet fee. And then even now the admin is saying the wallet fee, I'm sharing it into two, and I'm giving you half, and I also take half to run the system. Which network marketing business in the world can give you this leverage? Think about it, my brothers and sisters. We are moving to the next stage. We need to build our blockchain. We need to stop all the third-party blockchain and move to our TBC blockchain. Make our currency liquid in this country, in the whole world. Ghana, if TBC will sustain in Ghana, it depends on us, the leaders, the mindset we have. We need to go out, write a proposal letter, give to a merchant, call the merchant, educate the merchant, and they see that the merchant will not be part of our community. We have the system. That is what the Uganda, they are leveraging. The Uganda is doing what in the community. The leaders, TBC is not a one-person job. It's a teamwork. No matter how it is, every day you have a negative thought, and in a group, in a teamwork, you can motivate each other and move forward, and you see the positive goal or positive results. If you are selfish, you are greedy in a community, and you don't want anybody to enjoy it, nobody to teach anybody to know. And this is the number one thing I used to tell people in the community. A lot of leaders don't want to teach their downlines or their partners about the cookie reward, because they are afraid that when they teach their downlines a cookie reward system, how to do cookie reward, their downlines will not come to them with anything again. That is why we are coming down. Teach them, put them into 3-month cash flow training. Train them. After that, you graduate them. Let them also go and make money. Well, no matter how it is, that blessing will come to you. Remember that anytime they pay their wallet fee every month as a full-timers, the 50% of that money come to you. So why are you selfish? Why don't you stand boldly and talk to all your members, talk to all your team about the wallet fee? We need to cement our team. We need to build the foundation strong. If we don't build the foundation strong, the pillars become weak, our community will break down. We, the TBCians, as the leaders who are having one and more TBC, we are the backbone of the TBC. We are the backbone of the TBC. We must unite. We must move forward. We must team up. We must brand ourselves. If you are a TBCian in Ghana, you don't have a Lacoste, I'm ready. My new plan for the community is that anybody join in my team, I'm giving you free Lacoste. As a new team partner in my team, I'm giving you free Lacoste, and I'm giving you a brunches and the dates you can be part of my training. If you are not ready for the training, come for your money. I always want to move with people who are serious in the community. Leaders, let's duplicate. Let our team members be part of this community, and we are going to see the result that will happen. If you are in TBC, you are not making money, it depends on you. The only thing will limit you in TBC is your mind. Your mind is the only thing that will limit you in TBC. Let's unite, let's move, let's unite, let's train our people, let's support those people who had a vision. I'm I'm good in recruiting, I'm not good in merchant. I need somebody who is good in merchant, who is good in having a connection in the market. I'll support that person to come out with a lot of merchant that can help the community. That is the mindset. We should stop that greediness and move forward in Ghana TBC community. Thank you very much. I'm John Wood. Bye.